Welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. I'm with the people right now. You know, say the people, how you guys doing today? Yes, sir. That's how we're doing it in Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. We have here, say the people of Haiti, say need help. The children, say need education. Education is the best thing to do in the Haiti right now. If we put education, there's no way we're not gonna make it big time in Haiti. Education is the best. Let's promote education. Let's give the children a better future. Let's give them a future, say well we can change Haiti to a country where the country could be one of the best country in the world. Where we can invest in those children where because I have a dream. I see Haiti, say one of the beautiful islands in the world. Definitely. Don't worry about how it look right now. Say that if we invest in the children, if we promote education, if we give them the best technology, how to invest in self, so they could do research. You never know because God put knowledge unexpectable places that you never believe in. Jesus Christ, in the name of Jesus Christ, Haiti could be one of the best country in the world. Let's give the country to Jesus the Nazareth. Haiti is one of the best island I see because the future, the Haiti was stand up, say to take freedom, to say, hey, we're tired of being hurt. We're tired of being in a position, say where people telling us what to do. Let's do something for ourselves right now. Haiti could be that country. Let's make the Haiti the best country in the world. How do you say, people? Okay, so that's how we're doing it. Okay, let's move to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online.